request Mrs. Tara to please welcome Sri Vivek Yonjan, another eminent philatelist from Darjeeling.
Congratulate everyone present on this auspicious occasion to celebrate 100 years of Darjeeling Head Post Office building. Today, we are happy to release a special cover to commemorate the event memorable. As you all know, this beautiful building was constructed for housing the Darjeeling Head Post Office in the year 1921 under the supervision of Sri G. Day, Executive Engineer. The building was opened by His Excellency Lord Ronald Shaw, Governor of Bengal, on 2nd May 1921. This event was to be conducted on 2nd May 2021, but due to the prevailing COVID pandemic situations, the program was delayed and rescheduled for today on 15th November 21. It's great pleasure to release the special cover depicting the heritage building at Darjeeling Head Post Office in the presence of our Honorable Postmaster General Sir Sri Joseph Laring Saloba. Thank you.
So when you are ready, sir. This is a very special cover that we are releasing today. This will be available for sale for the public at Darjeeling Head Post Office and Siliguri Philatelic Bureau, commemorating 100 years of Darjeeling Head Post Office.
Members of the Department of Posts and lovers of stamps. It's an honor, a privilege, but most of all, it gives me great pleasure to be here on this very auspicious occasion. 100 years of this lovely structure, landmark of Darjeeling. And to commemorate the special cover that we've just released is such a beautiful piece of art, a philatelist's delight. You know, I've been attached, I've been connected to the Department of Posts, especially the Darjeeling Post Office, since 1976. The first time Darjeeling the Department of Post organized a philatelic exhibition was in 1976 when I was a college student. DPEX. Ever since the first DPEX, all these subsequent philatelic exhibitions that have been hosted in Darjeeling, that have been organized in Darjeeling, I have had the pleasure of participating or being a part of the organizing committee. At this juncture, I'd just like to make a request to PNG sir. The last philatelic exhibition, which was done in a very grand manner, was 7 years back. And I am sure 7 years is a long time back. So, especially during the pandemic, we've had a lot of young collectors led by none other than a very, very well-known philatelist, a national awardee, Mr. Vivek Yonjan. He has been grooming young philatelists of this region. I would request the Department of Posts to try and see if we can have another DPEX very soon. That would really encourage people from this area. One more thing, special covers are not very easy. Today, a very eminent, a prominent school of Darjeeling, the Loreto Convent, is celebrating 175 years. I think it would be very appropriate to have a special cover for Loreto Convent depicting the school's establishment in Darjeeling and the tremendous service the school has rendered to the community. Before I hand over the mic to my philatelist friend, there's one more thing I'd like to share. This region, we've got a special cover today, but what would be even better is to have first day covers commemorating this particular region. It is unfortunate that we don't even have a single dignitary, single personality featured on a postage stamp from this area. We've got stalwarts, literary stalwarts, we've got people like late Tenzing Norgay. I think it would be a befitting, tribute to people from this particular region if they are also featured in postage stamps. So this is a request I'd like to make to the Department of Posts. If we can even have personalities and places, like for instance, just a couple of weeks back, the United Nations actually came up with a commemorative stamp commemorating the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. So we have again the HMI, we've got lovely heritage in Darjeeling. If together we can come up with postage stamps and first day covers at a national level commemorating such events, personalities and the place, it would be an icing on the cake. On this occasion, this is a request I'd like to make. Thank you once again for having us here and wish the department all the very best. Thank you.
I, ASP Headquarters, Darjeeling Division, would like to extend my gratitude on behalf of Darjeeling Division towards making this occasion a grand success. Especially, I would like to thank our chief guest, PMG sir, for taking out his time for attending this program to commemorate the completion of 100 years of Darjeeling Head Post Office. And also like to thank our special guest, Sri Manipradhan sir, Vivek Yanjan, who is a prominent philatelist from Darjeeling. And lastly, I would like to thank our members of the press and media who took their valuable time to cover the event. And also a big thank you to all our postal staffs who have been working day and night to make this program event a grand success. Thank you all.
I have been working here since 2018. And in fact, my first visit to Darjeeling Division was in 2002 from Jalpaiguri when I was the senior superintendent. So it is a long association, and today it has been a great experience. I'm grateful to the department, I'm grateful to my friends here, and also to Darjeeling town for having this nice building. And this building is now officially 100 years. It is officially a heritage building in the department, and while some maintenance is required, it could not be done till now because of the pandemic, and however the plans are on, we would like to restore it even further, and we hope that it will see another 200 years more to come. We may not be there, but at least the culture of the town, culture of the department, the heritage of this building, we hope to restore it, and we hope it continues for a long time. ये normally target हम लोग मिल जाता है. इस साल यहाँ नहीं हुआ. इस साल वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्जीबिशन सिक्किम में होने वाला है. this month. Okay, the 29th of this month there will be a district exhibition. Hopefully in the new year Darjeeling may get allotted, and as suggested by them, we will also try to get one exhibition. We will ask for an exhibition.
कुछ पता है जो यहाँ का हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग है, हेरिटेज स्कूल है, जो कैन भी निकालना चाहिए, जो उसका हाईलाइट
Special cover and stamps. Yes, actually इसके लिए as he had suggested, we hope some proposals will come. We will also try. In fact, there was a proposal for the Darjeeling head post office building itself. It had gone from West Bengal circle. Hopefully it will materialize.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Yeah, we are hoping that it will materialize.
दार्जिलिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ऐसे पोस्ट ऑफिस हेरिटेज पोस्ट ऑफिस तो और भी है.
Officially, this is the one heritage building in Darjeeling, and another heritage building is Kuch Bihar head post office building. That is also in the same age. But let us see how things go on. Another 100 years, 200 years. We're hopeful.
आज हेरिटेज का 100 डेज तो हो गया. 100 डेज होने के बाद दार्जिलिंग को पीपल जो आप लोग का कस्टमर है पोस्ट ऑफिस के, उसके लिए कोई नई स्कीम पोस्ट ऑफिस से लॉन्च हो रहा है कि?
As of now, there are no new schemes, but lots of schemes are there. वो पब्लिसिटी भी यहाँ डिवीजन लोग कर रहा है, मेरा सुपरिटेंडेंट लोग भी तो कर रहा है. पब्लिक के लिए अभी यहाँ हम लोग का IPPB इंडिया पोस्ट बैंक वो भी चालू है, राइट. एंड पोस्ट ऑफिस का जो सेविंग स्कीम्स है वो भी तो चालू है. सुकन्या है, सीनियर सिटीजन्स का है, हर फाइनेंशियल जो स्कीम होता है वो सब है. और ये इंडिया पोस्ट बैंक का जो IPPB जो कहते हैं, इट इज़ अ पोस्ट बैंक ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट. इसमें वी आर ऑफरिंग अ होल बास्केट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम जनरल जो सेविंग्स अकाउंट है, करेंट अकाउंट्स, देन वी आर गिविंग मनी, मतलब जो विड्रॉल है, राइट, विदाउट AEPS, आधार एनेबल्ड, थ्रू पोस्टमैन ऑल्सो, जहाँ चाहिए वो फ़ोन करने से आ जाता है पैसा. देन वी ऑल्सो हैव आधार का जो अपडेशन, जो ये बायोमेट्रिक अपडेशन, वो भी पोस्टमैन होके हो रहा है, होता है, राइट. सो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ स्कीम्स विच कैन बी यूज्ड बाय द पब्लिक. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ कम हियर, आस्क, एंड इट विल बी देयर. और यहाँ भी इंटरनेशनल पार्सल्स का जो काउंटर खुला है स्पेसिफिकली फॉर इंटरनेशनल पार्सल्स. सो वंस दीज आर यूटिलाइज्ड, सी फॉर एवरी प्रोडक्ट टू ग्रो it needs to be utilized. So I call upon the people of Darjeeling, please use the post office facilities to the maximum. और अगर चाहिए और चाहिए, let us know. We are here to serve you. Okay, every kind of product is there. पोस्ट ऑफिस का जो नॉर्मल सेविंग स्कीम्स है, IPPB है. Now what is good in IPPB? It is the link between the post office and the banks. It is a proper bank. पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग स्कीम्स आर जो स्मॉल सेविंग स्कीम्स कहते हैं, दैट इज़ अ सेपरेट स्कीम. बट पोस्ट ऑफिस बैंक, पोस्ट बैंक, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो एंड दार्जिलिंग ट्रेडिशनली हैज़ गुड फॉरेन ट्रैफिक, जो इंटरनेशनल पार्सल्स है. दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव ओपन्ड द इंटरनेशनल बुकिंग काउंटर हियर, राइट. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव अ नोडल डिलीवरी सेंटर इन दिस बिल्डिंग itself, where all articles for Darjeeling get delivered from the post office itself, from here, instead of going to the localities. So there are new developments coming up, they are happening, right? Okay.